Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up our settings and scroll all the way down to additional settings. Swipe down again and select backup and reset. Reset phone. Erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. It gives you a message, this will clear all data. I'm going to select erase data. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. So if you keep anything in your device that you would like to preserve, make a copy of it before you begin. Now that being said, we can select erase data, which will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.